Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. We have 2011-12 Subaru Outback. This car here, we have a code P01347. It is for the intake manifold, intake camshaft sensor. And those intake camshaft sensors are located, one is here, exactly in this area, camshaft, intake. And there is one here. And for the exhaust, one is all the way here in this area, and one is here. We are going to disconnect this one. Est-ce que on peut pas débrancher ça, non? For the exhaust, on peut pas débrancher ça, non?
Faut que j'enlève ici.
Ça, il y a des écrous que seulement tu vas bouger ça.
Il faut qu'enlever les écrous.
L'autre là, c'est difficile aussi, n'est-ce pas? Vous avez l'écrou ici? Vous avez les écrous? Vous avez des écrous ici, n'est-ce pas?
Il y a les écrous là-bas.
Okay. So we have one here. The sensor, the camshaft sensor, the exhaust camshaft sensor, it have 3 wires. One is power, one is ground, and one is 5-volt references. Okay. We're gonna start working with this one. You see here? If you notice, okay. If you notice here, we have 3 wires. One is the one in the middle is 5-volt reference. So, and one is where is your tester? So if you notice here, we have 3. If you notice here, we have 3. This is a connector for the sensor. And we're gonna test it. What we're testing here is gonna be the same there. Ça là, il faut, on va le taper bien. Ok, donnez-moi l'autre là. Est-ce qu'on peut mettre? Ok. This, as I told you, the one in the 2 side, one is power, one is ground, and the one in the middle one. You see, when you open the ignition, you will get 5-volt over the contact. You will get 5-volt reference. So he's gonna open the contact for us. I just take this wire, tape it into the one that with the middle one. You see here, this is 5-volt reference. When you start it, you will pull out to 0.5, or if you have a scope, it will give you a square signal. So I'm gonna put a scope into this line after we connect. Okay, branches. And also we have, branches. We're gonna connect that one, and we're gonna read the 5 while you're cranking, while the car is running, what signature it look like. I have a snap-on modis here, and we're gonna go to signal test. For the cam sensor, you see, this is the cam sensor. It's supposed to be something here. You see, it's supposed to be like this. So I'm gonna go get the ground. Where is your ground? Okay. You see here, I'm gonna give a ground here from the tester light. And now, give me this. Let's be sure that it's not touching your. Okay, now I'm gonna put this one here. And now you see here, we have nothing. Go start the car. Tu as branché ça, n'est-ce pas? Okay, démarrer le véhicule. So we are going to start the car, and the signal must be near to this one. Or almost. That's perfect. Hold this. If we come to the next one on the right side, it could be there, but it could be upside down. It's not. You see, it's gonna be like upside down because this one is turning this way, and the other one is turning the other side. It could be a little bit different. So let's go. This is the right side, this is the left side intake, exhaust camshaft sensor, and this is a right side exhaust camshaft sensor. And I will put this one here, and you see it is there, but it is in the bottom. You see the pieces here, because one is going left, one is going right. But at least you have the idea how they work and if they're okay or not. If you don't have this one, you don't have 5-volt references, that means you have a problem. Also, I want to show you how much is read on the voltage here. This is just on the mirror. You see, 0.9 volt. But the scope will give you details. This is not fast enough. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And also the camshaft also supposed to read all the sensors supposed to read the same way. Yeah, thank you.